Friends, welcome you all to the home mentoring session of business study. Dear students, today we are going to start new chapter of management, that is directing. As all of you know, we are doing the functions of management in this book. We have two books in the business study. In this book we are doing the functions of management as well as principles of management. Now we have covered three functions of management. You know there are 5 functions of management, and we have covered 3 functions of management. One is planning first, then second is organizing, and then third is staffing. Have you ever thought कि we have started work till now? Actual implementation of plan has been started? No, it has not been started. What we have done? हमने प्लान किया, उसके बाद हमने एक स्ट्रक्चर बनाया कि इस स्ट्रक्चर के अंदर देयर विल बी वेरियस पोस्ट. अब हमने वो वेरियस पोस्ट और उनकी ड्यूटीज को डिफाइन कर दिया. नाउ टर्न कम्स ऑफ स्टाफिंग. नाउ हु विल बी ऑन दैट पोस्ट? नाउ वी हैव अपॉइंटेड द डिफरेंट पर्सन अकॉर्डिंग टू रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ दैट जॉब. नाउ दिस इज द टाइम टू गिव direction to those person who have been appointed, and actually the work will be started in this function. So this is directing. Directing means giving the instruction. Now what topics will be covered in this chapter? We will do the concept of directing. In this video I will cover the concept with the feature and importance of directing. Then we will do the elements of directing. Dear students, there are 4 elements of directing. One is supervision, another is leadership, then motivation and communication. अगर हमें डायरेक्टिंग करनी है तो हमें सुपरवाइज करना है, तो इसमें we will cover the importance and the feature of supervision. अगर हमें डायरेक्टिंग करनी है तो there should be the good leadership. In the leadership topic we will do the styles of different leaders and qualities of leaders. Then we come to motivation. In the motivation we will know the meaning of motivation as well the importance of motivation with the theory of motivation. Then we will come to the communication. Dear children, communication plays a very important role in the management. How the communication is done? It's not a small term communication. In the communication we take the written communication. Presentation of structure through the flow chart is also come under the communication. Motivation comes under the communication. So we will study what type of communication is done, how communication is done, how it helps to achieve the goals of the organization effectively and efficiently. So let us start with the meaning of directing. Directing, बड़ा simple सा meaning है. We are using ing with every word. For example, directing means giving instructions, guiding others, supervising others, leading the people, instructing the people. Why? In the formal way. Formal way means to achieve the objective of the organization. Directing is given. आप मूवी देखते हो, मूवी में सबसे बहुत अच्छी मूवी है तो सबसे पहले क्वेश्चन क्या पूछा जाता है? Who has directed this movie? Nobody asks easily किसने स्टोरी लिखी है, किसने प्रोड्यूस किया है. Actors come, I know actors come at the first level, but direction comes at the top level. कि मूवी की डायरेक्टिंग बहुत अच्छी हुई है. तो इफ यू आर डूइंग वेरी गुड प्लानिंग, आपका ऑर्गेनाइजिंग स्ट्रक्चर बहुत अच्छा है, आपका स्टाफिंग बहुत अच्छी, आपने हाईली क्वालिफाइड पीपल अपॉइंट किए हैं, बट इफ द डायरेक्टिंग इज नॉट गुड, एवरीथिंग विल बी फेल्ड. क्योंकि काम ही एक्चुअली डायरेक्टिंग पे स्टार्ट होना है, एक्चुअल एग्जीक्यूशन ऑफ प्लान्स ही डायरेक्टिंग पे होनी है. So we come to the features of directing. The first feature of directing is initiates action. Employees are appointed up to the first 3 functions of management, but they can't commence their job until they are not informed about what to do. आपने अपॉइंट कर लिए, जब तक आप उनको बताओगे नहीं करना क्या है, they will do nothing. So this means directing helps them to give the start. Now do this job in this way. Second is directing takes place at every level of management. Pervasive function है ये, हर लेवल पे काम आता है. आपको पता है कितने लेवल होते हैं मैनेजमेंट के? देयर आर 3 levels, टॉप लेवल, मिडिल लेवल एंड लोअर लेवल. At every level directing is given. Top level gives the direction for the objectives of the organization to the middle level. Middle level translate those objectives and the policies of the top level to the lower level, and the lower level gets the task implemented from the workers. So it is clear, directing is not required only at the top level, it is required at each and every level of management. Continuous process. It does not mean कि साल के शुरू में आपने डायरेक्टिंग कर दिया, आपने मोटिवेट कर दिया, काम होता रहेगा. It is required every time. First of all, you give the instructions. Then you see instructions are followed in the same manner or not. Then we see कि sometimes people are not so enthusiastic to perform their duties. Then it is required they should be motivated time to time to get the best performance of the organization. So it is not one time process, it is a continuous process. Next we come to the feature of directing, that is it flows from top to bottom. I think it is clear to everyone ki how directing is done. It flows from top to bottom. Top level gives the direction to middle, middle to lower, and lower to platform area, that is worker. Now we come to importance of directing. The first importance is initiate section. As you all know, I have told you, work is started only at the function of directing. Employee starts working only when they will get the instructions. So it is the directing function where the execution of plan started. Now we come to the next importance, that it integrates employees' efforts. Many employees work in an organization and the activities of all are correlated. And the success of each and every organization is possible only when everybody does their jobs efficiently. If one of the employees in the employee chain does not perform up to the mark, it will affect badly to the whole organization's goal. So it is necessary to establish coordination among all the activity, and that can be possible with the help of good leadership, motivation, and exchanging ideas with the subordinate, getting the suggestions from the subordinate. We can understand with the help of example. For example, you go to the market, you went at the shop, ready-made garment की shop पे गए आप, वहां पर one employee, when you meet the first employee, what he does, he asks you what you want to get. तो आपको वो क्या दिखाएगा? Product दिखाएगा. Second employee, what they will do? They will do the packaging. Third employee, आप उसके पास जाओगे, they will give you the bill and you will do the payment. अब अगर इस चेन में से एक एम्प्लॉई ने कुछ भी अच्छा नहीं किया, then objectives will not be achieved. For example, अगर sales executive is not able to attract you or persuade you, or he is not telling each and everything about the product, then you will not buy the product. Then all the resources of the organization will be waste. Product बहुत अच्छा है, quality बहुत अच्छी है, packing बहुत अच्छी है, एंड सेल्स एम्प्लॉय ने आपकी नीड को ही अंडरस्टैंड नहीं किया, आपको कन्विंस नहीं किया, then you will not buy that product. So directing helps to integrate those employees. Head manager will see where there is a lack. He will try to cover. Then we come to means of motivation. I have told you the 4 elements of directing and motivation is one of that elements. But it is told कि everybody has to work in the organization up to their 60% of capacity. इसका तो काम करना पड़ता है, लेकिन 40% जो वर्कर काम करते हैं that is done with the help of the motivational forces. अब motivation कैसे देते हैं? Motivation can be given only by finding the need of an employee कि उसको क्या requirement है. Only then that employee can be motivated. Sometimes motivational, there are different ways of motivators, financial and non-financial motivators. Sometimes financial motivators are required and sometimes non-financial motivators are given. That we will study in the next videos. What are the different types of motivators? Now we come to the 4th point of importance of directing, that is facilitates change. It is the nature of the human being. They don't want to do something new where more efforts are required. It is the habit of human being. They always resist changes due to the fear of adverse effect on their employment and promotion. मैं कुछ नया करूंगा तो मेरा काम गलत ना हो जाए और मेरी कहीं प्रमोशन ना रुक जाए. एंड डायरेक्टिंग क्या करता है? उन एम्प्लॉइज को ट्राई करता है कि एडजस्ट करें विद द न्यू सिचुएशन. बेटा जब नया नया ऑनलाइन टीचिंग हमने भी शुरू की थी तो बड़ी एक फियर था, डर था, कैसे चलेगा, हाउ आई विल टेक माई लाइव क्लास, हाउ वी विल डू द स्क्रीन रिकॉर्डिंग, व्हाट विल हैपन. बट only the good direction motivates us. We got the training for that. That gives the motivation. We have done training in the chapter of staffing also. उसमें भी बताया है कि staffing को अगर आपने 100% performance लेनी है तो training is required. So directing helps to facilitate change. Now we come to the 5th point, stability and balance in the organization. Sometimes there is a clash between individual and organizational objective. ये होता है clash. Organization को क्या चाहिए? Maximum profit. Individual employee को क्या चाहिए? Maximum salary. So this is the directing which gives the instruction, which supervise कि both parties का objectives fulfill हो जाए. Organization मैक्सिमम प्रॉफिट अर्न करे और इंडिविजुअल को भी उसके वर्क के अकॉर्डिंग जो है सैलरी एंड दूसरे बोनस मिले. वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ एग्जाम्पल. हम उसको समझ सकते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ एग्जाम्पल. क्या है कि एक सेल्समैन कहता है कि मेरे ज्यादा से ज्यादा प्रोडक्ट सेल हो, तो उसके लिए ही वांट्स कि देयर शुड बी स्कीम्स. एंड जो फाइनेंशियल मैनेजर कहता है बाय 1 गेट 1 स्कीम लगा दी. फाइनेंशियल मैनेजर कहता है कि हमारा बजट अलाउ नहीं होता. सो देयर इज अ क्लैश. उसको जो है फुल ठीक कौन करेगा? बैलेंस कैसे बैठेगा? विद द हेल्प ऑफ डायरेक्टिंग. सो दिस वाज द इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ डायरेक्टिंग. आई थिंक द मीनिंग एंड द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ डायरेक्टिंग इज क्लियर टू एवरीवन. डियर स्टूडेंट, इट्स अ वेरी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग चैप्टर. ये आपके करियर के लिए भी हेल्प करेगा. थैंक यू वेरी मच.